Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this equation. We have 2 exponents m minus 2 exponents n is equal to 8064. And in this case, we should solve for m and n. So looking at this equation, we can say that m is greater than n. Okay, m is greater than n. Okay, and from here, looking at this, if m is greater than n, it means that m is equal to n plus a certain constant. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be any number. So let's say that m is equal to n plus. So let's use k for that constant. So which means that this k is not equal to 0. Okay. So now let's come back to the equation. So we have 2 exponent m minus 2 exponent n, which is equal to 8064. So from here, we said that m is equal to n plus k. So let's substitute the value of m there. So we are going to get 2 exponent n plus k minus 2 exponent n, which is equal to 8064. So from here, we use lots of indices to solve this. So we can express this as 2 exponent n multiplied by 2 exponent k minus 2 exponent n, which is equal to 8064. Okay, so now we are having 2 exponents n here and 2 exponents n. So let's factorize 2 exponents n outside, leaving 2 exponents k minus 1 and is equal to 8064. Okay, now let's look for some factors of 8064. So from here, you can see that 128 times 63 will give us this 8064, which is equal to 2 exponents n into bracket 2 exponents k minus 1 and is equal to this. Now, let's use the laws of multiplication. Okay, so you can say that 2 exponent n is equal to 128. Okay, so from here, 2 exponent n is equal to 128. We can express it in an index form. So we can say that 2 exponent 7. Okay, since the bases are the same, we equate the exponents. So n is equal to 7. Now, then we take the one in the bracket and equate it to 63. So we have 2 exponent k minus 1 is equal to 63. Okay, so we have 2 exponent k, which is equal to 1 will go here to be 64. So 2 exponent k is equal to 64 in the index form. We are going to get 2 exponent 6. So now the bases are the same. So we say that k is equal to 6. Let us recall what we said. We said that m is equal to n plus k. Okay, so from here, our n, which is 7, and our k was 6. So our m going to be m is equal to 7 plus 6. So our m is equal to 13. Okay, so this is our final answer for m. So it means that our m is equal to 13 and n is equal to 7. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.